guys, welcome back to Zephyr Fishing. Today we're gonna fish at the Montauk Lighthouse. Currently at the North Shore. Gonna put my corkers on here and then get out there, so stay tuned.
Choose your character.
Ooh, first fish of the day right here, guys. On the Deadly Dick. I think this is an ounce and a half I have on. Oh, he just let go. Alright, let me show you what I was talking about. This is Deadly Dick. I think it was an ounce and a half. And then I tied my own flashes on there. Some steel leader. Let's try and get another one. Or land one. We're throwing a diamond jig. I believe 2 ounces. Hey, was that green or yellowtail? Green tubes. Ooh, good head shakes. Most likely blue. Yep. That's what people have been catching all morning, so. Woo! Here's some drag. Yep. Got some drag over there. Hey, if you bring it to me, I'll land it for you. First fish that someone landed today in our group, at least. It's big. It's right here. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's not a gator, but woo, jumper. Hey, don't let it jump. Oh, that's decent.
Decent size.
Yeah. There you go. Nice.
I'm gonna keep this one.
All right. Let's land this one. Feels like a decent blue. It has to be a blue. I'm throwing a Deadly Dick, so. Let's go. Lost the first one. Let's land this one. It's been a slow morning, but I believe it should be a major period right now. Switching from a high to a low tide. Wow, this one feels decent. And we're fishing the North Shore as well. All right, let's get them in and get some color here. I'm gonna move back so I can land them here. Oh, it's definitely bigger than the one that Amir caught. Let's go. Deadly Dick gets the job done. Deadly Dick. All right. My pole's stuck in my jacket. Say it's like 20-inch maybe. Oh!
Bruh, bruh.
Got him. He's running shallow where we're good. Yeah!
That's a good size.
Decent. Smaller than the ones yesterday. Deadly Dick. Yeah, gotcha. Almost lost it, like the first one.
Cool. So are we throwing it in the bucket?
Yeah, I'm gonna bleed them. All right, let's get back out there. Catch our limit. Maybe get a rock if we can. Here, hopefully, let's land them. Lost the first one, landed the second one barely. This is the third one here. Hey yo! All the way to the right. Please land. Let's land this one. Probably the same size as the one I just got recently, my second one. Man, they fight for their size though. Look at him run. Oh!
Bruh.
He's got off.
Where's your line at?
Man, I am 1 for 3 today. That is not good. We'll try again though. All right guys, heading back to go eat, take a break, then yeah, get back to work. Wait until the tide changes. I caught one, he caught one. I almost lost this one too.
That was though.
Did you hear a damn word? I'm sorry.
That was shit.
Everyone ate and they're sleeping now, so I can't sleep, and if I can't sleep I might as well wake up.
Alright, this is where we sleep. That's our snack and our drinks. And Gagan, he's eating fishing lure and goldfish. And he's sleeping right here. You see, not very small guy, but we'll make it work, see? He's sleeping there, sleep right here. This guy, Billy. Say hi, Billy.
What's up?
And Mizan over there. Say hi, Mizan.
We tried to fish the South Shore and work our way back to Turtle Cove right here, but didn't have any luck, so we're gonna go back to the North Shore here and give that a shot. So stay tuned, we out of here.
Choose your character.
Go. We just came back to the North Shore and I'm hooked on running a Sabile. Hopefully I land this guy, or else I'm gonna be 1 for 4. I got him though. Oh no! All right, jinxed myself, 1 for 4. We're on here. It better not be 1 for 5. I'm landing this guy for sure. Gotcha, boy. Finally. Miniature blue. Now I am 2 for 5, I think. Trying to catch one more and get my limit for the day. Beautiful sunset. All right, finally got one here. Skunked all. It was skunk the last one to finally get the skunk off here. Let's see what it is. It's a blue. Yeah, small one. Hey, lift it up. Let me see it. There you go. Got another one. Let's go. Hit it right here. All right, got my limit for the day. Oh, it's a rock. Got a rock, bro. Schoolie. Let's take him in here. Woo! First rock of the day. I thought I was gonna get my limit. All right, bud. See ya. All right, here we go again. I think my lenses are wet. I got splashed, but we're on again here. Feels a little bit bigger. Hopefully he's a blue, so I can just catch and release from here. Oh, everyone's hooking up. Mirror's on. Oh. Got a blue. All right, I'm done for the day, guys. Hopefully my lens aren't wet.
So what is it? Did you tell me if you catch another one?
I'm done. Oh, we got another one. I literally just hooked up too, looking at his fish. They're blitzing right now. All right. Oh no, he got off. Amir just got another one. Here's the second one. I'm hooked up. No need to say anything else. It's probably another small blue. Doesn't feel like big tug here. Trying to avoid this big wave. Hey, you want it? Alright, I'm gonna catch their limit. This is a wrap. I'm just gonna enjoy the day now and catch and release from here. Gotta clean up the fish at the end of the day here. Get all that blood out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next video. Remember to smash that like button, give us a comment, and subscribe. Everything I use is under the description below, so check that out as well.